How to log in or sign in to PubG Mobile. If you want to log in or sign in to PubG Mobile app, it is very simple to do so. Once you launch the PubG game, this is the interface you will see. Right on the home page, you can see there are many ways to log in. You can log in with your X, which is your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your independent phone or email, or if you tap on more, you can log in with Google, Discord, QR code, WhatsApp, TikTok, and also your Apple ID. So if your account is linked with any of these, you can go ahead and then sync that, or you can tap on phone or email option, then enter your email address and your password manually, or you can go to verification code login to obtain the verification code and log into your PubG Mobile account. This way you can log in or sign into PubG Mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.